Good morning, y'all. So we out here.
Yeah, we out here after dropping off Tanisha's grandma's.
Yeah, we dropped my grandma off at her doctor's appointment. So now Jay and I are gonna walk and get some coffee. Went to this coffee place right here. Y'all, it's called Black Rifle. So usually you just read the top words. So I thought that it was a gun, like a gun shop or something. Or even a range, like a gun range place. But then it says coffee company. So we're like,
I don't know who owns it.
let's go try this.
You think a vet owns it? You got all these planes and helicopters and soldiers.
We didn't eat any
You
breakfast.
probably show your military card probably got a discount. Everything is so military.
We didn't eat breakfast, so we're just gonna try this. And hey, we're supposed to be boycotting Starbucks anyway. I mean, y'all supposed to be boycotting. I'm like, I cannot keep up with all these boycotts. But between Starbucks and Amazon, I totally understand. I totally get it.
We could just sit here and
Look, they got pancakes, like they got a whole
a
situation.
bagel with cheese like that. And get this one.
Uh-huh.
Oh, they have a drive-through.
Yeah. But you see what I mean about we could walk here? Because it's like,
Oh, man, we got a whole store.
oh, it's a whole situation. And look, like Jay said, it has like this little military theme. Then it's like this.
I want their
Oh,
coffee
yeah.
too.
I don't know, this store looking quite.
So many things.
Okay, so Babe was right. This place does have military discount. They do 10% military. And they asked us. I didn't even have to ask them. But as you see, it has like a very military theme. And then, military patches, heroes, police, medical, all of that. So I think we're going to sit here and, right, babe, we're going to sit here and at least eat our sandwiches here.
Yeah.
And then we'll go back over there with our coffee. Yeah, so it's pretty. This is good. It's because it's like you can taste the different flavors. The white mocha, the white, and the wild black. It's very sweet. Here's my sandwich.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.